Be clever, Reverser. A writer must never be short of ideas.
You used to be quick on your feet. Now you've got 2 left feet. Reversion!
Yeah!
Oops.
Sorry! How do I ride a bike?
Oh no!
Thank you, Ladybug.
Gotcha! How do you like your new role, Lady Klutz?
Excellent work, Reverser. Now that she's weakened, get hold of her Miraculous. Her earrings!
Your Miraculous are mine!
Awesome costume! Too bad we'll have to tear it up. Everything okay, m'lady?
So you think you're brave, Cat Noir? From puss to wuss! Reversion!
Oh yeah, I'm so scared. Come on, m'lady, let's wrap this up.
Cat Noir, wait!
M'lady?
What's up, kitty? Got vertigo?
Locate them, Reverser! The Miraculous are so close!
They are powerless now, Hawk Moth. We've got all the time in the world. I'll take care of them as soon as I've inverted Marinette and Nathaniel.
Fine, but hurry. I want my Miraculous!